Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Canva on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure is that you're connected either to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, a Wi-Fi symbol will appear on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, a 4G or 5G icon should appear next to your network status. The other thing that you must ensure is that your Android phone is running Android 6 or higher. For that, head over to Settings, tap on About Phone, scroll down, hit Software Information, and check your phone's Android version. This Android phone is running Android 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can simply head back over to your app drawer and search for Play Store in the search bar. And then in the search bar of Play Store, look for Canva, and then hit Go or Enter on your keyboard. Right next to Canva, you'll see the blue Install button. Hit the Install button. Make sure that you're logged in to your Google account before you try to download any apps from the Play Store. If not, then you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account, in which you'll have to enter your credentials. After you have downloaded Canva, you can simply open it and start designing or looking at others' designs. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.